Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Now let's see how to add your name on Taskbar. Create a new folder on desktop and rename the folder with your name. Right-click on the taskbar. Place the mouse pointer on toolbars and select New Toolbar. Select the previously created folder which is present on the desktop. Click on Select Folder. Now, you can see your name on the right side of your taskbar. To change the position of the name, right-click on the taskbar and remove the tick mark present before Lock the taskbar. Place the mouse pointer on two vertical lines present before your name and drag your name to your desired position. Again, right-click on taskbar and click on Lock the taskbar. Finally, delete the created new folder on the desktop. In the same way, you can add your name or any quote on the taskbar. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.